Our next problem is a pretty interesting problem which appeared in JEE in 2002. We can see that this is a simple problem in which we are given that a perpendicular is dropped from the focus of the ellipse to any tangent of the ellipse which is made at point P. A line is drawn through the center and passing through the point P. We need to find the locus of points of intersection of these two lines. So let us assume the point P. Let us assume the point P to be equal to A cos theta, comma B sin theta. The equation of tangent is x cos theta by A plus y sin theta by B is equal to 1. The slope of this tangent is equal to minus B cos theta upon A sin theta. The equation of perpendicular dropped from focus on this tangent. We know that the focus is AE comma 0, and we know that the slope is minus B cos theta upon A sin theta, so we can write the equation of perpendicular. It is y minus 0 is equal to the slope, which is minus B cos theta upon A sin theta into x minus AE. This is the first equation. Now we know that a line is drawn through the center and passing through the point P. Point P is A cos theta comma B sin theta. OP has a slope equals B sin theta minus 0 upon A cos theta minus 0. Since the other point is center, that is 0 comma 0, so the slope is B sin theta upon A cos theta. So the equation of OP becomes y is equal to mx, that is y is equal to B sin theta upon A cos theta x. This is the second equation. Now we want to find the locus of this point OP and this perpendicular. This slope was the negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent. Since this is a perpendicular to the tangent, so it is A sin theta upon B cos theta. Since the slope of tangent we know is minus B cos theta upon A sin theta, so the equation of perpendicular is y minus 0 is equal to slope, which is the negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent, into x minus AE. Since a perpendicular, or rather this is the equation of perpendicular from focus AE comma 0 on the tangent. Now we need to find the locus of these two lines. On dividing these two lines, what we get is 1 is equal to this tan theta cancels, and we get A square by B square into x minus AE upon x. This becomes B square upon A square is equal to 1 minus AE by x. B square by A square is equal to 1 minus E square is equal to 1 minus AE by x. 1 and 1 cancels. We get E square is equal to AE by x, or x is equal to A by E. And we know that x equals A by E is the equation of directrix for the ellipse x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. And hence our final answer is the locus of the point of intersection of the two lines, out of which one line was a perpendicular drop from focus on the tangent and the other line was the line passing through the center of the ellipse and the point of contact of the tangent with the ellipse. The locus is x equals A by E, or the directrix of the ellipse. We can also remember this relation since it is an important relation for the ellipse x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1, and our final answer is x equals A by E.